In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Bing AI Chat on mobile. This is working for iPhone and Android. So what you first need to do is go ahead and open up the App Store or the Google Play Store. I'm going to go to the App Store and we just need to make a search here for Bing. Now, once we do that, we should see Bing Chat with AI. Go ahead and click Get, and that should then download that to your phone. Now you've got that chat downloaded, go ahead and open it, and it will open the Microsoft Bing app. Let me just allow these notifications. Then you can click here where it says Ask Me Anything. Now that's going to open up. Once you've clicked on Ask Me Anything, it will then open up the Bing chat bot where we can now go ahead and start to ask it things. So maybe I want to say here, give me an itinerary of a 2-week holiday in Thailand by the beach. Then we can go ahead and send that and see what Bing AI says. And now it looks like it's writing us an itinerary here, fly to Bangkok, take a flight to the beach. And there we go. So, okay, that's how you can use the Bing AI chatbot on phone. I'm not going to make this video any longer. I hope that helps you out.